Hello students, and welcome to this special session of MySQL, whereby we learn today the special functions of date and time. Date and time, as you know very well, which is relevant in our banking sector and insurance sector, whereby the database used to calculate date and time. Many of the cases, many of the clients, many of the records, they need this function very much. So we will learn very important function today, date data type. Right now, first we will learn about the date and time function. Date and time function allow us to perform many types of tasks on date type. Date is data type, you know very well, and cur date is the function we will going to learn, and then we will learn about the now function and system date, which is as good as now function, and date and month function. So let's take a look to this MySQL. First, the current date shows us the date, right? And then select now, it shows the date, current date, which is 1st April 2020, and now the time is 2 a.m. right? Select date. Now in this function, it will return this date. It will find which is the date in this given string. So this will return this function, right? Similarly, in month will return you the month of this date. In this string of date, month is written here. Okay, now let's proceed with the other command, that is year and day name. Okay, year, this will give the year. Now I'll take the example of this table employee, and in this table I have stored several records and their name, last name, date of join, salary, city, and this date join, I want to see who has joined after year 1996. So I'll give one command here, that is select first name from employee where year date of join is greater than 1996. So this one candidate is here, Bhavna, who has joined in 2010, which is greater than 1996. So only one case is there in this table. Let's see the other example now. Day of month and day of week. Day of month returns the day of month in the range of 0 to 31 as the case may be, and day of week returns the week in number as 1 for Sunday, 2 for Monday, and so on. See, we have seen this. This is day name, which was what was the day on the 8th of March 2020, that was Sunday, right? Select day of month. So day of month is 9th, this is 9th day of the month, right? And day of week, which day of week was 20th March 2020, it was 6th day of the week, right? And further we see many other commands are waiting there. Day of year. In day of year we'll learn about return. It will return the day of year for the given date in the numeric format. For example, in this it will return 1. Select day of year, and because this is 1st of January, so it will return 1st, right? So let's take this example. Day of year, it is 80th day. 20th March was the 80th day of the year, right? And we'll see this this day of year function in the employee table, and see this employee, first employee has joined on the 207th day of the year. The second employee has joined on the 178th day of the year, and this employee has joined on the 51st day of the year. So this is how we can calculate the day of year. It's interesting, no? So this is the function day of year. Let's see what is the other function. Now this is something special we are going to learn today. You remember I told you the command about the now and system date, and what is the difference between now and system date? Now actually gives the same time, and within the duration of 10 seconds it's changed the time, but after 10 seconds, whereas the system date give us exact time, what is the time currently there in the system. Let's take a look to this command. Okay, select sys date, and we use the special command sleep here, and we have to give time for sleep. 10 seconds I have given here, date, and this. Okay, so this will return after some time. See, after 10 seconds it returns the change in this seconds. This is 2:16:4 and this is 2:15:54, right? So calculate 10 seconds, just 10 seconds the difference. And if we give the now function here, now and we have to wait again for 10 seconds, and after 10 seconds you will find there is no difference in the time, the same time it's displaying here, right? Another function we learned today is ASCII. ASCII returns the ASCII number of the character. Mainly we use it for this. Select ASCII, and A is the character and semicolon, and it will return 65. 65, as you all know, is the ASCII character. ASCII is the full form. ASCII of ASCII is American Standard Code for Information Interchange. So children, this is all for today's session. Today we have learned the types of the function in MySQL: single row function and multiple row functions, date and time function, current date, now date, month, year, day name, day of month, day of week, day of year, and the special function ASCII and sleep function. We will keep learning more in this way. Thank you for your kind support.